Now sit up with your lower back straight and shoulders rolled back. Begin to nod your head forward and pulling your head towards your back. Try not to flex your neck too far down. That position changes the movement. Instead, try to bring your ear closer to your back. You may feel like this position causes some tension or ache at the back of the neck. This is what happens when the muscles are tight. Our job with the movement is to lengthen those muscles while building endurance in the ones in the front that will help you relieve your pain. One of the ways you will know your head posture is getting better is when the tension diminishes during this movement. These muscles have been known to cause shoulder tension, neck pain, and even headaches. When you feel this tension, don't be afraid to push slightly towards that ache, but without pain. This will help you feel better. Ready, set, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.